9.10 or 9.04, right? So install them. Okay, you can install them and you can run them and you can use them as just as real as as a real operating system. Alright, you can print, you can play movies, you can play music, right? And you can see whether your hardware, the hardware that you have, works with that or not. Alright, I just check out the options. Let's say you really liked the user account management, or the Active Directory in Server 2003, but you're not so sure about Server 2008. You've installed it, and now you can check it. And not only that, you can go ahead and network these operating systems together. You can make a team of it. You can just turning instead of turning on one virtual machine, you can turn on the entire team, and everything, all the operating system will open in different windows there. You can network them together. You can check how their performance is, how the features. If you really like it, then go for it. Okay, that is just one use. Alright, that is just one use. So let me close it. Right? Do I want to save it? No, actually I don't want to. Right? So this is a Windows 7 image. Right? So what I'm going to do now is I have VMware Workstation 6.5 licensed to my name, and I have installed a Red Hat Linux 5.4 x86. Right? It's a 32-bit operating system. So, well, if you want to know how to install an operating system inside this VMware, we have a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I'm sure you can get it up. Alright, I will make a video on that too. Alright, how to install different operating systems in VMware Workstation 6.5. Please wait for that. Please check my channel. Right, let me power on this. Okay, let me power on this, and this is powering on. Right, I'll just maximize it. This is a small screen. Well, it's just giving you 800 by 600 resolution now, but you can change the resolution. Let me pause it for a while. Right, you don't want to see the booting process or something, right? So let me pause it for a while. So it is recording. Right, now I'm sure you are able to see the Red Hat boot screen. Let me see it's recording or not. Okay, it is recording now. Alright, so let's see what all the processor being. Okay, it's trying to determine my IP information for Ethernet 0. That's my Ethernet card, but I do not have an internet connection right now. For this video I've just disconnected it. So this is a Windows 7 image, and I am going to unmount this. Right, okay, I'm going to mount a different thing. So it is booting up. Well, as you know, it's a Linux server, right? Linux server 5.4, and you might feel crazy that I have installed a server with just one 1 gig of RAM allocated to it, right? And I have a virtual DVD-ROM drive here. It just runs quite. Actually, you can run this on a 256 MB. Can you believe it? Of course, you gotta believe it. Well, I'll change the resolution to full screen so that now you can enjoy. Let me log in. I hope you're not seeing my password. Well, not so important anyway. I'm not worried about that. Okay, so this is my desktop, right? So I can actually change the resolution. Screen resolution, change it to before I do that, here I have to go to administration, go to display, and type the password, root password, and I have to tell my hardware that I have a high definition monitor. Isn't that cool, huh? That is, yes sir, that is really cool. Let's see. I don't have it yet, but as you can see, it gave a message saying that I have to log out, and then it will change it. Alright, let me go for full screen now. Alright, so this is much better. Okay, so let me change the resolution to 1920 by 1080p. Apply, keep resolution. Okay, well, I have allocated very less memory for a server, so it's, you might see, you know, the screen is kind of yes sir. So this is the beauty of VMware. Alright, this is the beauty of VMware. I mean, I'm just clicking here, right? I'm able to access files, right? I can run commands here. Okay, ls, right? ls -cltr. I mean, I can do anything that I can do in a regular operating system, right? Now it's saying me, okay, if I press Control Alt, I can release the key and go back to the main operating system. Okay, so this is my main operating system. So that's all for now. Okay, I'm gonna see you again. Have a nice time till then.